All right, this is just going to be a real quick video. I wasn't even going to make a video about these, but they're so good, I decided to do it. They're called brush gaiters. I bought these on Amazon. I'll put a link, if I can find it, in the description. I paid for these myself. They didn't give me anything. I'm not getting paid if you buy any, so it's completely uncompensated. But the reason I bought these is because where I live, it's sandy and also a lot of rocks. And I weed eat in my shorts because it's usually 95 to 105 pretty much all summer. I'm in Central Texas. So the front of my legs just get tore up. And so I wanted something to protect my legs when I'm weed eating. And so these work great. It's like vinyl with like a thin piece of foam inside of it. And then you can see what the back looks like. The way you put them on is you just put these, and I'll have my kid took a video of me using them, so you'll see, you just put these around your legs. The only thing you'll see if you read the reviews, they'll complain about these because you're supposed to technically put these on and maybe loop your boots through this thing, but you can cut both of these off. They're completely unnecessary. So when you put them on your leg, they're heavy enough. They just sit just like this, and so they protect you fine. I mean, honestly, these don't serve any purpose at all. So if you're looking something to protect your legs from weed eating, these work great. Some people, when I was reading the comments, some people were talking about buying them because I don't want to get grass on my jeans. I mean, I'm not going to say you go to a wedding after weed eating with these, but it'll help a lot. I don't know if it'll be like make you grass proof, but I don't ever weed eat in jeans, so I'm not really sure what that problem is. So, but they do help. But I'll throw a video in here of me using them, and you can see that they really protect your legs. And if you got any questions about them, just let me know. And like I said, I'll try to put a link to them in the description below. But these things, if you're looking for something to protect your legs, this is what you want to get. And once again, I mean, I'm not being paid or compensated in any way for this. So hope this helps you. See ya.